I'm recording now.
Okay.
So Raymond's doing the scallops.
Pick up the oil to very high temperature.
Very hot.
High temperature.
So the scallops have just been steaming with glass noodle. Oh,
Hot.
yeah.
So mix with ginger and spring onion on it. On top.
How long did you steam the scallops for?
Oh, 8 seconds. 8 minutes. Sorry.
8 minutes.
Yeah.
With nothing on them, just scallops and the glass noodle.
Yeah, and chopped garlic.
Oh, a bit of chopped bit of garlic.
With, olive oil. Mix.
Olive oil, chopped garlic.
Now, you might season it a bit.
So steam the scallops with the glass noodle,
Maybe season a little.
garlic, and a bit of season.
Just. Yeah, pepper.
Salt.
So, if you like, put some, what do you call them? Chicken powder on it.
Oh, chicken powder.
No, chicken powder, you know. That's it.
Okay.
Then we oil, ketchup, really.
So the scallops are basically cooked. You're just putting the sauce on top.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
all you do pour it
A bit of-
over.
Okay.
Yeah, and then all you do
Yeah.
use the same pan.
Yes.
Empty.
Same pan.
Add soy sauce,
Is that light or dark?
dry soy sauce.
Light soy
A
sauce.
bit of stock. If you don't have stock, just some water.
Yeah.
Yeah. And some
Okay.
sugar. Get sugar. A bit of sugar.
1 teaspoon of sugar, yeah?
Not one.
Not one, half.
Maybe a quarter.
Quarter. Okay.
Alright, maybe some chicken stock.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
A little bit more. Just put salt in. Okay, a bit more of that. Sesame oil on top. Use sesame oil. You finish up. A bit. Maybe a teaspoon. Now you pour it over.
Okay.
That's steamed scallops.
Okay.